have watched very well,
Hmm?
watched my videos. Am I right?
Uh, what I what I think watching your videos.
What do you think about that? Some of the yoga. Your father is also, very well. Your father is a yoga man. He knows very well
No,
how.
no, no. He's not a yoga man, but he like to practice, yoga.
Okay, he is taking much practice.
Yes, yes, yes. He spent, one and half hour, 30 minutes, I think, daily.
Okay, 30 minutes each and every day. Your father is doing yoga.
Mm. Mm.
What about you? Do you
No,
have
I
any
don't.
opportunity?
Actually, I woke up. I don't woke up in the early morning. So that's
Okay, brother. Okay, brother. No, your father, always says do yoga like that. Your father
no, no,
strictly.
no, 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 no. He don't force me.
Okay, 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 okay.
So
Your
okay,
father,
how long you have been practicing yoga?
oh, I've been practicing yoga 6 months. For 6 months, I am doing yoga. It's a very
Okay.
helpful for us. When we consider about that, if you do some of the exercise, it's very helpful for our outside of the organ, leg and
Mm,
hand,
mm,
and some muscles will get some of the exercise. But what about the other, inner organs like heart, like liver, kidney, like the yoga, which gives such a exercise to our inner organ. If you do yoga, that we can get some release from some diseases. My concern is like that. What do you think about it? You can ask to your father. He'll say, "What's the benefit of
yes,
yoga?"
yes, yes, yes. Actually, I will definitely ask that. So tell me, what he was doing the whole day?
What, brother?
What he was doing today?
What?
What tell me about your days? How it was?
Oh, the day is, I know not only myself, that all over the world, the pandemic situation, everywhere we go, we can get the only virus name, Corona, like that. But here
Mm.
is now also it's a lockdown. What about your state?
Yes, in my state, there is also lockdown, but they set some new rules. Like there will be 2 days lockdown in a week,
Okay,
complete lockdown.
What? Here is also lockdown is continuing. No, at the end of this month, 31 July, there is a lockdown. Only said no that 5 o'clock only. Our shop will
Yes,
be
I
open
think.
at about
Yes, I saw in the news today that Oxford University, their vaccine is showing improvement, and it can produce antibody in the body.
yes, brother, yes, brother. No, they invented that, but
Mm.
no, it would come to our places. It takes more than 2 months or 3 months. No, we don't know.
Yes, yes, it will almost. I think by the end of the year, we will get the vaccine.
Yes, 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 yes. I think, but we are very proud of our Indian nation, Oxford, who founded that. Really very great.
Mm.
I don't know what's the situation we should have. Actually, I think this is a common diseases. Each and everyone is now day by day that affected people are increasing. What about your
Yes,
place?
yes. In my place, there was no cases almost 2 months ago. But when the migrant workers started, reaching their home,
Okay,
and
okay,
people are coming to their home, so after that, the cases are increasing.
okay, 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 okay. Here is
Last
also
initial 3 or 4 months, there was no cases in my district.
okay, 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 okay. But no, here is no day by day the 100 cases is going on each and every day. Once upon a time only that we have 50 cases for a week, but at present situation each and every day more than 100 cases is going on.
Mm.
I don't know what will happen over there.
Hmm?
Brother, no, what kind of the step are you taking to improve your communication skills?
I am, what I am doing. I am just reading some books and watching English web series and practicing English here. And
Oh,
I watch some YouTube videos to learn some English words.
okay.
Uh,
Then apart from that, do you have any practice to improve our pronunciation?
Improve? No, I don't. I think uh, I don't have some problem to in my pronunciation, but I'm not practicing. Particularly on these things.
Okay, your pronunciation is good, but if you want to speak like a native speaker, you can watch more than many videos from the YouTube, like a
Mhm.
native speaker, what they are speaking, what's their slang, what their intonation. If you listen very well, you can catch their slang. I feel like
Yes,
that.
yes.
Sharini.
Yes, yes. I watch some Netflix web series and I can little bit understand their accent. You know what? When I watch Bollywood movies, I can get their accent. But when I see some web series like in Netflix, I can understand that.
Okay, you'll watch that, HBO channel like that, English movie you are watching.
Hmm. So don't you watch movies and web series?
Yes, it is so typical to understand that movie slang. They can speak quickly. They speak very quickly, but it's so difficult to understand. If you listen keenly, you can watch. Otherwise, it may be Himalayan task to understand all those facts. Am I right, brother?
Yes. So tell me what you are doing to improve your English.
Actually, I'm using the body track application, and
Mm.
also each and every day I'm speaking with anyone people for 1 or 2 hours. Apart from that, no, there is no practice at present situation. Only body track.
Okay, okay. Yes, that's very, the app is free of cost and it helps to improve. At the initial days when I started using that application, I used to fumble when I speak and I can't. And before saying something, I used to make sentences in my mind.
What
And
do you think about the body track application?
it's a very, I think it's a very good application. That we can communicate with different people of different part of India and. It's good. Actually, I gathered a lot of knowledge from the like Bihari peoples and people from South India. I can find a lot of people there from South India.
South Indian people? What?
Yes, I can see in that application most of the people I have talked in that application they are from South India, like
Oh, India.
Telangana, Kerala, and Tamil
Oh,
Nadu.
yes, yes. That, but I have spoken to that West Bengal, Bengali people and Maharashtra, Jammu Kashmiri, Delhi people. Mostly, I think this is a Indian application. I think so. That's why
Yes,
that
yes, yes.
80% of the Indian they are using this application.
You can also talk with the foreigners there. But you have to spend some coins, 40 coins for I think 20 minutes.
Okay, okay, okay. When did you download this application?
I downloaded almost 2 months ago.
2 months ago. It's okay. No, now you are 11 7.
Yes, level 7. So
Okay,
tell me,
okay.
when you downloaded,
What, brother?
when you downloaded the Buddy Talk,
Why?
when you downloaded the application Buddy Talk.
Oh, it's a very helpful to improve our communication skill because of when you speak to a stranger, there is no need to fear about anything. That sometimes we may put the mistake. In these circumstances, if it no, we can. If you speak to any stranger, there is no need to consider about our mistake. There is no need to consider about our hesitation.
Mhm.
Without hesitation, we can speak a lot. It's also very helpful for us. Say, for example, what can I say? If I speak to my friend, sometimes some of the person they may criticize me, but
Mhm.
the stranger, it doesn't happen. That's why this application it's very helpful for all people. I like so much. No, some of the persons and a number of the people they are using this application. They are improving in various places. I feel better. What do you think about it? Am I right, brother?
Yes, yes, you're right. Actually.
Okay, brother. What's so special thing in your state? You belong to West Bengal?
Yes, yes. I'm from West Bengal. The special thing about is our culture.
Okay. What's your
Culture,
culture?
our culture, and there is also like you can see a lot of freedom fighter who are from West Bengal, like Subhash Chandra Bose, Khudiram Bose, Bosu, and you can see the great writer Rabindranath Tagore, and
Okay.
social, some pioneer social reformer like Raja Ram Mohan Rai, Chandra Vidyasagar. They are from West Bengal. Do you know that we used to
Bharatanatyam is a traditional dance. And but West Bengal that Shreya Ghosal. Do you know who is the
yes,
best
yes, Shreya
singer?
Ghoshal, yes, 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 yes,
Yeah.
yes. She is a very great singer. And Arijit Singh also from West Bengal.
Mostly she's singing some classical song. Not
Mm-hmm.
only Tamil Nadu, that Malayalam also. She sung so in so many languages. Really, we have to
Yes,
appreciate
yes,
her. She is
yes.
very girl. No, I feel very better, and now she's becoming multimillionaire.
Mm-hmm.
Why she's very when you compare with other person, she has some golden voice. That's why she is very popular in various places.
Yes, yes. Right. So, what is your favorite song of Shreya Ghoshal?
What's my favorite song?
Yes, of Shreya Ghoshal.
Also, yeah, no, so many song is available over here, but I cannot
Yes.
explain over here.
Mm-hmm.
So many songs.
So, yes, yes. So, what's your favorite Bollywood
In
song? Do you watch Bollywood movie?
Tamil song in Sudalamada Sami Gitta, Vendi
Okay,
Gitte.
it is the Buddha Bama is Tamil song.
Kind of a vernacular language slang, but she is able to catch what's a slang, what they are, what kind of the culture we have. She is also thinking like that. That's why each and every people like so much her.
Okay,
And
Buddha
in any
Bama is
song,
this Tamil song?
um, um, pardon,
Buddha Bama,
what brother?
Buddha Bama.
I don't know. This song,
Allu Arjun song.
oh, I don't know. I don't.
Okay, why this Kolavadi? Is this Tamil song?
Yes, yes. Why this
Yes,
collaborate? What this
Kolavadi
collaborate?
D. So what does mean Kolavadi D?
Collaborate. Collaborate. Collai means murder.
Sorry,
Collai means murder. Do you know murder?
murder.
Yeah, yeah. Murder is
Oh,
collai. Very,
Kolavadi.
mania. Mania. Do you know mania?
No, no.
Oh, that is a collaborate.
Okay. Okay. So do you
Why?
watch Bollywood movies?
But it's a original thing. Uh, but normally we cannot take collaborate. That's the exact meaning for that.
Mhm.
If you do anything in unwanted, at once they'll say why this collaborate like that.
Okay, okay.
Are you able to understand? If you do anything
Yes,
in unwanted one, at once
yes.
they'll say that collaborate. Why this
Okay,
collaborate?
okay, okay. So, actually, no, I love a actor who is from Tamil Nadu. I think is Rajinikanth.
Oh yes, brother, yes, brother. Yes.
Yes, I have watched a lot of movie of him, like Robot, and there's also another movie like Shivaji the Boss. I think.
Shivaji, MGR, and superstar Rajinikanth.
Yes,
So many people. The Kamala Dasan, universal hero.
mm. Shruti Hassan, is she from Tamil?
Yeah. Hrithik Hassan is daughter of Kamala Hassan.
Yes, Kamal Hassan.
Yeah. You know all Tamil actors and actor. You know very well. You
No,
how much
no,
knowledge
no.
you feel.
Yes, I know, just like Kamal Hassan, Shruti Hassan, and Rajinikanth, and there is also another actor who have done a movie with like VIP done a movie VIP movie with Kajal.
Kamala Hassan, Rajinikanth. You know all Tamil actor.
Don't know all, but few of them I know.
Okay, brother. Now I have to leave from here. I can make next time. Okay.
Okay, definitely. It's nice to talk with you.
Thank you so much for a nice compliment. You have done wonderful thing. Okay. Bye bye.
Bye bye.
Take care.